So now seeing all of that in a magazine, suddenly kids all across America were suddenly aware of this culture, right? And again, it wasn't just a sport, it was a movement. It was out of this world, and it was this aesthetic and a lifestyle, and it was kids in torn jeans and shorts and hopping over fences and skating and partying and in giant empty swimming pools and having the time of their life, and was rebellious and again, it was like music and art and a sport, and it had a look, and it had, in a way, a sound that was coming out at the same time, punk. Um, and it spread very quickly around the country. People were like, I want to do that. I can go do that. There's a pool somewhere around here. There's a hill somewhere around here. And people wanted to be like them. So now the Z-Boys were like the ambassadors of this new thing and being paid for it. Big money to do events and competitions. So again, now it wasn't just like, oh, mom, dad, I'm going to go, skate in the backyard. I could make money by doing this. So it was suddenly, in some ways a viable future to be a skateboarder. Um, and at the time, it was like being sponsored by Nike. This is before Nike actually, I think, did anything like this, but they were like being sponsored by a major brand. There were rebels, outsiders, but yet got paid handsomely and were treated like rock stars for just being a rebel, The, they were really breaking out. I mean, the Z-Boys were now mentioned in People magazine, Rolling Stone, Us magazine. Stacy Peralta was actually on an episode of Charlie's Angels. Watch this.